Today we are checking out the Nearity Open Bluetooth Earphones MemPod Fit 2, which is a new model from Nearity, an innovative pair of wireless earbuds that offer a unique blend of comfort. Why I am saying this? You can see I am wearing my AirPods. This happens when I go running or do a workout. But these Nearity Open Bluetooth earphones just stay in the ears and don't go anywhere. This is the big advantage of using open Bluetooth earphones, and of course, there are more. The Nearity earphones features a soft silicone design that feels amazing against your skin, and they are super lightweight, just 9.9 grams. Sometimes I forgot I'm even wearing earphones. They are incredible lightweight, making them perfect for all day wear. Whether you are hitting the gym, traveling, or just working at your desk, these earphones provide a secure and comfortable fit. Now on to sound quality. These earphones deliver immersive audio and deep bass and robust volume. Whether you are listening to music, podcast or making calls, you will experience clear and vibrant sound that brings every detail to life. Here is the deep bass audio quality comparison.
People dream high in the quiet of the night, you know that I caught it. People dream high in the quiet of the night, you know that I caught it.
One of the standard features is the ENC noise cancellation technology. This advanced system uses two MEMS microphones to filter out background noise, ensuring that your voice comes through clear during calls. It means you can have conversation in noisy environments like busy streets or bustling cafes without any hassle. Well, I have been using these open earphones for about a week, but I haven't had to charge them once since I received them. The battery life is about major highlight, with up to 10 hours of playback on a single charge and an additional 35 hours from the charging case. With a quick 2-hour charge, they are perfect for long days. One more fantastic feature is the environmental awareness aspect. These ear open earphones let you stay aware of your surroundings, which is great for safety when you are out or riding a bike. You can hear traffic or conversations when your volume is at 50%. And when your volume is at 100%, you're definitely not hearing anything else. I tried it already. The high volume is super cool and super satisfying. I know you wanted to know the price, so the Nearity Open Bluetooth Earphones MemPod Fit 2 are priced at $120. But with this coupon code, you can get them for just $99. You can choose between two colors, black or white. Check them out, throw the link in the description below. The Nearity Open Bluetooth earphones also support Bluetooth 5.3 and dual connectivity. This means you can connect to two devices like your phone or laptop. In the box you will find the earphones, a charging case, a user manual, a quick start guide, and a charging cable. They are compatible with a wide range of devices, including iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, and Linux, making them incredibly versatile. If you are looking for earphones that combine comfort, exceptional sound quality, and advanced features, the Nearity Open Bluetooth Earphones MemPod Fit 2 are definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.